crunchy and sweet. Eat one daily, that's a treat. B's for brushing, brush your teeth morning and night. Shiny smiles feel just right. Clean your hands before you eat. Soap and bubbles can't be beat. E's for drinking water. Drink your water, glug glug glug. Keeps you fresh with every chug. Healthy habits, A to Z. Strong and happy, you and me. Brush and wash, jump and play. Let's be healthy every day. E is for exercise. Run and jump, stretch your toes. Move your body, energy flows. F-G flows. Fruits are colors, bright and cool. Mangoes, grapes, a healthy fuel. Close your eyes, dreams will come. Morning brings a shining sun. Wash your face, comb your hair. Stay so neat, show you care. Brush and wash, jump and play. Let's be healthy every day. If you're sad, take a rest. Talking helps, it's always best. Hop and skip, jump to 10. Then take a breath and jump again. Be kind to friends, that's part of care. Healthy hearts love to share. Laugh out loud, ha ha hoo! Smiles are healthy for me and you. Healthy habits, A to Z. Strong and happy, you and me. Brush and wash, jump and play. Let's be healthy every day. Eat on time, chew it slow. That's the way for strength to grow. N is for naps. Short nap time after play makes you bright for the rest of the day. O is for outdoors. Play outside, breathe in deep. Nature's hugs are yours to keep. Sit up straight, stand up tall. Good posture helps you grow, not small. Q is for quiet time. Quiet moments calm the mind. Peaceful thoughts are kind. Run around, feel the breeze. Stay fit with fun and ease. Sun gives warmth, bright and new. But wear your hat and sunscreen too. Dentist helps to keep them strong. Healthy smiles all day long. Healthy habits, A to Z. Strong and happy, you and me. Brush and wash, jump and play. Let's be healthy every day. U is for using tissues. Cover your sneeze. Achoo, oh no. Tissue in hand, germs won't go. Carrots, beans, and broccoli too. Eat your greens, they're good for you. W is for washing clothes. Clean clothes make you feel so neat. Fresh and tidy, what a treat. X is for extra care. Care for others, care for you. Healthy hearts are strong and true. Y is for yoga, stretch your arms. Breathe so deep, body calm, no need for sleep.